Hello everyone, today we are making green masala prawns rava fry. Butterflying the prawns gives it a very crunchy texture and the green masala is super yummy. Can you really beat that combination? Look at these beautiful babies. To butterfly the prawns, first remove the head and then quickly remove its peel. You may choose to keep the tail, but I am just removing it. Then using a knife, make an incision about 3/4 of the way inside. Do not cut it completely. See, this is how it should be. I am using 20 butterflied prawns, about 5 per person. For the masala, I am using a bunch of cilantro along with the stems, 1 green chilli, a clove of garlic, a small piece of ginger, salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and red chili powder to taste. I will be grinding this masala using 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. You can also use fresh lemons. We will be marinating the prawns with this freshly ground green masala. Yes, sometimes our hands are the best tools. We are going to let this marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. For the coating, we are going to use half cup plus 1 tablespoon of coarse Sooji Rava, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon red chili powder. Give it a good mix. Coat each prawn well with the Rava mixture. This is what gives it a crunchier texture. Heat a griddle over medium flame and spread some oil over it using some paper towels. Once the tawa is hot enough, we'll start frying the prawns. Drizzle some oil on top of the prawns. Let it cook on this side for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now let's turn sides and cook for another 8 to 10 minutes. If you like this recipe, please leave a comment. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.